I just got back from Busan and I wanted to... Ooh. I just got this new toy, the Osmo Action. It's actually my first action camera. When people think of action cameras, probably the first brand that comes to mind is GoPro. So when you see this, you're probably like, oh, GoPro! But no, this is the Osmo Action. Anyway, so I got this new action camera because I have a lot of adventures planned, so an action camera would be ideal. And this one has a front screen, so I can like see myself, which is very essential when I'm vlogging. And also it has a RockSteady feature, which is maybe better than a gimbal, is that what I've heard of. This weekend I went to Busan for a color run and I tested this out for the first time. I'm super excited to see how the videos turned out. I tried to use some slow-mo, time-lapse. I tried to use almost everything. Also, this is waterproof, so thank God, because yesterday at the color run, there was so much powder on my camera and I need to clean it. Like, it is so nasty right now. One more thing. I don't know why, but yesterday when I tried to connect it with the DJI Mimo app, it wouldn't connect. Like, it could find it, but it wouldn't connect. I don't know if it was because I was having bad reception out at the park or something. Wait, let me try it right now. Oh, see? Now it works perfectly. I think it's because I just had bad reception out there, but that's really weird. Didn't work last night when the sunset was beautiful and I wanted to take a picture. Had to do it twice. Anyway. See, it's a little slow, which I don't like. Like, didn't work. No. There we go. See, it took a couple tries. I'm pretty sure this is I can use the display button, but yeah. Alright, the video's actually turned out pretty well. I'm impressed. Can't wait to use the Osmo in my future adventures. In the meantime, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video when I'm done editing. 안녕!